Hey guys, update. The weather is getting cold. Look back here. You see, this is the chocho tree, chayote. It's surviving back here because it's away from the cold. See, it's dying over here, but in the back it's surviving. What I've been doing now, we're getting a freeze all next week. So I gotta come and pick off all these peppers. All of them gotta be picked off. Oh boy. Gotta get the big ones, the small ones. Gotta get them all. Okay. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright, this is why I'm picking. If you can see, the cold weather is burning them up. You know, the gungo tree getting burnt, even though the back part is surviving because it's not directly in the cold. But I'm here picking. So stay tuned till I pick them all and I'll show you what I have. So far this is full. I'm gonna empty this out and come back. That's what I have so far. And one chocho. So stay tuned. Down here I have some sweet potato. It ain't. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me. So, let me see what I got out of the sweet potatoes. They've been running wild. And I'm telling you, they've been looking good. So, this thing I just man. Over this, Can break some of these limbs. And start digging and see what's underneath there. Nice. This is one. Wow. People, I'm getting some nice sweet potatoes here, man. Cheese and peas. Any more? What's this? Oh, this is grow. I let them leave these near because I don't know what they are. What this come from? Any more? Okay, that's it. That's one. I'll plant them. I'll plant some more over here, so. Alright, stay tuned.